Automation Direct sells an incredible selection of VFDs from a wide range of brands to fit most any application. Toshiba is a well-recognized quality brand in many areas of industrial control. The AS3 series VFDs include the latest in premium drive features. These drives are available in 460 volts from 1/2 to 300 horsepower and include a built-in DC choke and EMC filter to protect your upstream and downstream equipment. These premium Toshiba drives come equipped with dual Ethernet IP ports and even have a built-in web server. An optional EtherCAT module is also available. The highly advanced keypad features intuitive menus in selectable languages. Faults are displayed with a timestamp and a QR code for easy maintenance and troubleshooting. And when paired with a Toshiba motor, the AS3 drive's warranty is extended to 3 years. Automation Direct is providing the products and support you need to make us your common sense way to buy industrial controls. Click here to see all drives at AutomationDirect.com and click here to see more Toshiba drive videos.